What's up, YouTube? What's up, Hammerheads? Vanhammer HP, Craig coming at you. Hey, I'm just gonna knock out just a real quick video. So we put the H pipe on the other day. Sounds great, love it. Anyway, we'll bring some sound clips and everything, pass-bys in the car, takeoffs, all that good stuff. What I wanted to do though is, so yesterday we started experiencing a problem with the active exhaust. So I was doing some research, trying to figure out what was going on with it, and I figured it was something that had to do with the H pipe. But anyway, the active exhaust was cutting out. I couldn't use it anymore. And so I started doing some research. A lot of people started saying that they were blowing fuses. So checked the fuse box. Fuse was blowing. It's number 34 in the fuse box panel underneath the hood. If that ever happens and you need to check on it, that's where it's at, number 34. Anyway, since changing that, we've been blowing fuses, and it just happens randomly. It's happened on startup. It's happened on, you know, when I kind of press on the gas and go in the car, stuff like that. So I really hadn't had a time to look at it until just a little bit ago, and so I gotta hurry up because I'm about to take the car. But I want to try to get it fixed before it gets worse. So I came to check out the wires down by where that connect to the actuator that move the little flap in there for the active exhaust. I want to show you something. If we come to the driver's side here, this is the little actuator deal, or part of the active exhaust, this piece right here. And you see how it's canted to this side, and the plug-in is away from this. Let me see if I can get to it. The plug-in is away from this little cross piece here. And you can see it doesn't appear to be rubbing or touching right there. But if we go over to this side, if you see it's canted a little bit, I don't know, it doesn't look like it's canted at the same angle as this one. Or maybe I need to cant the exhaust. But you can see already, see where the wires are touching there? And I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if you move this down, you can actually see bare wire up in there. And so that's where the problem has happened. It has rubbed into the wire, causing bare wire, and what's happening is we're shaking, or this wire is shaking, or the exhaust is shaking. The wires are touching this little cross piece, and it's sparking and tripping the fuse. So we got to try to fix that real quick. Alright, let's see if that'll focus. Right there's our issue. So we're going to try to get that covered up so that we don't blow any more fuses. Alright, well, I got this open now, I can show you guys, but let's see, it's in the center panel. This 15 that's right here, it's the odd colored because it's a new one now, but that one right there, that's for your active exhaust. So if you've done any kind of exhaust modifications that may have pushed the exhaust back or something to that effect, changed the angle of it, and your active exhaust quit working, those are some things you might want to check on. I got back under there, threw some more insulation around it, taped it up so it wouldn't touch anymore, and then I kind of gave it just a little bit more force, and I think I scooted it forward about another, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch or so. So it pushed that clip away from that little metal crossbar. So hopefully we don't have any more issues, but I just wanted to bring you a quick update on that, because I seen, when I was researching that, I seen a lot of forums and stuff where people were having that kind of problem, where the active exhaust was tripping and the fuse was blowing. So that could be the issue there if you take a look at that. It's real quick to fix. You just drop the exhaust real quick, throw some more insulation around it, tape it up, put it back up there, see if you can get it at a different angle or move it or push it forward a little bit. Should solve your problem. Anyway, like always, drop the hammer. Peace out.
Do it.